Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Picking up where we left off in our previous video, we ended up in Sam Nuea where we spent a day visiting a rice farming village. Today we will be leaving Sam Nuea and will be making our way to Vientiane, passing through some small towns along the way.
Our first stop is in Poukham, where we stayed the night. We found a nice guest house that had enough room for all of us. The next day, we continued on the road and passed through Phoukhoun, where we stopped to grab breakfast at the local market, which was located at a major intersection.
Just a few more hours of driving and we arrived in Vang Vieng. Here we visited the Angel Cave and Poukham Cave. We made a separate video which we'll link in the description below. After visiting the caves, we had lunch at this cool restaurant with dining rooms on top of a field. After a late lunch, it's time to find a place to stay for the night. In Vang Vieng, since it's a tourist town, there are lots of hotels and resort-style accommodation located by the river.
Finally, we are at the last leg of the road trip across Laos. From Vang Vieng, there's this newly built highway that'll take you just a little over an hour and a half to Vientiane. After spending days on unpaved countryside roads, it feels great to be traveling at high speeds on a smooth surface. China has invested a lot in infrastructure in Laos with the high-speed rail that will span from Kunming all the way to Singapore. The broken roads will soon be paved highways that will dramatically cut down the time it takes to get anywhere in the country.
Before reaching Vientiane, we stopped for lunch at a lakeside cafe called Ang Nam Tong Resort. We had a little bit of fun with the paddle boats.
We went so far. We're going the wrong way.
We arrived in Vientiane, the capital of Laos. We have been here 2 years ago, so this time we only stayed one night. This is a much bigger city, so you will find your familiar Western-style hotels.
Last day in Laos, we went to this beautiful restaurant concept in an open field. They have air-conditioned rooms, which was amazing since it's so hot outside. But you are limited to 3 hours of dining in these rooms, which was enough for us.
Well, that's it for this trip, guys. We are now heading to the airport and flying back to Thailand. Our trip is coming to an end. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.